Hi, I'm ShilpaAroraSharma, and today I'm making this video about how to get respect from others. And I am a manifestation coach. I give manifestation coaching in a group format and also in a personal format. So group format is affordable and personal format is high ticket. You can register for any of it in the links below. Let's begin. And before that, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And please do share it with anyone who needs it. Because a lot of people, I know that they are not able to attract respect from the environment. And the question comes to me a lot when they are sinking down because they don't get it from environment, and then they can't vibe high and they cannot manifest. And it's difficult to manifest respect just by visualization if you don't have a thermostat for it. So this video is really helpful for anyone who has this problem. So let's say I have to tell you about my friend, before we get into this. Her name was Poonam, and she was a very good girl, someone that I could never be. Like, she would really cook meals for all the people in the house anytime. Even if she's asleep, she would get up, she'd cook meal. She would eat. In the end, whatever is left out, she wasn't allowed to meet her friends, by the way. And it so once happened that it was her birthday. So it wasn't like that I'm inviting her for my party or anything. It was her birthday, and we wanted to just cut her a cake. And she just came rushing for 2 minutes. She quickly made a cut and just picked a small bite, tasted it, and ran away. And so she wasn't even allowed to meet her friends on her birthday. It was like that. And she was really doing a lot, a giver, putting everyone, in uh, in front and then putting herself behind. So not just that, it continued. And so what happened next is, like, I moved out for some time, and when I went back, my friends told me a sad, shocking news that Poonam was no more. Now, while recovering from that shock, they had more shocking news, which was like they wanted me to visit her house. And I said, yes, obviously, let's just go and express condolence. But they meant something else. They said you should visit her house and see what's happening. And I said, you should tell me. But they wanted me to go and see it myself. So we visited, and it was very clear as we visited to her house. Not even a single member seemed to care. I mean, I'm of course not talking about the kids, but then in-laws, husband. I mean, there was no memory of her in the house, as if she never existed. They had hired two maids. They were doing their work, and like uh, we were wondering what on earth she wasted her life for. I mean, she literally died overworking for these people. And it's like, in the end, you go, you leave, and then that's it. You're gone. You're not there. Someone else will come and fill your space. So, what is the moral of the story? You know, and by now you would have understood what is the moral of the story. You need to respect yourself, because if you let other people walk over you, they would. If you allow other people to disrespect you, they would. So you need to know to make boundaries. It's like you need proper sleep. You need to sit down and eat. You need to take care of yourself. You need to go for your walks, your workouts, whatever you do. You need to meet your friends. It's important. And you need to invite your friends. You need to be there for them. They need to be there for you. You need to meet your family. I have seen a lot of women are not even allowed to meet their own parents. It sucks. And unless you step up for yourself, nobody's going to do it. And that respect that you want to have, you will never get it. So even if, let's say, you don't care about anyone respecting you or not, it still matters, because you are a divine self, right? You have a soul in your body, right? So you need to attend to yourself. It's most important. If you do not respect yourself, in the spiritual aspect also, as a mirroring effect, you would get disrespect from the environment. So I hope I'm very clear. If you are struggling with getting respect in your relationships, also from your environment, you're working and then your colleagues are not respecting you, or you're at home and your family members aren't respecting you, your friends aren't respecting you, just look inside. Are you respecting yourself? And if you don't, then stop blaming them. It's you. Change yourself. So thank you so much. And I hope I helped. And I'm sure you're going to take actions and work on yourself so that you respect yourself. And first, complete your own responsibility to respect yourself first. And then you'll be able to manifest respect from your environment as well. Thank you so much. Have a great time ahead.